Let's go over what SOS means on your iPhone and how to fix it. Now, you'll be able to see at the top of my iPhone, it says SOS, and if I swipe down from the top right, now it says SOS only. You might be wondering why that is and why you can't make calls. Now, let's head into the settings here of your phone. So once you're in the settings, I'll show you what that means and how to fix it. Let's just scroll down from here and you can see under Face ID and passcode is emergency SOS. So just tap on that and it walks you through what this SOS does. Essentially, this allows you to make emergency calls on your iPhones and emergency texts on your iPhone, even if you don't have signal. So essentially, it shows up as SOS or SOS only when you don't have a normal carrier signal. Basically, your signal doesn't work. So we need to fix that. So let's go back to these settings here and we'll scroll to the very top and you can see under Bluetooth is cellular. Just tap on that. Now on here, you'll either have an eSIM, an electronic SIM card on your iPhone, or you might have a physical SIM card in your iPhone itself. You can see here, I have my eSIM turned off here, but if it is turned on, you might also want to go through the process of just shutting it down and then reactivating it. So to do this on an eSIM, we will turn this line off by tapping on that. And then on here, just go back in here and turn the line on your phone. You can see at the very top right, it will start to go through the process of gaining bars again, and it no longer shows as SOS. Now, if you don't see this, you have a physical SIM card on your phone. If you have a physical SIM card, just look for a tiny little pinhole on the side of your phone, get a paper clip, just push on it to open up that SIM card tray, remove the SIM card, maybe clean it on your shirt or a cloth or something like that. And then when you're ready, just pop it back in to reactivate or reinitiate that SIM card. Now, at this point, you should have good signal and you're good to go. If you still see SOS only, the next thing I would recommend doing is going into your settings again here. And then we're going to tap on General towards the bottom. Once you're in the general sections of your phone, let's scroll to the very bottom and you're going to hit shutdown. Now, this seems simple, but you'd be surprised how many times problems or glitches on your phone are fixed just by shutting down your phone and rebooting it. So try restarting your phone. If that still doesn't work, the last thing I would recommend doing on your phone is going back out of here, tapping on cellular, and going down and hitting the delete eSIM. You'll either delete your eSIM or remove your physical SIM card, and you might need to get a new one issued to you from your carrier. There might be a corruption or some kind of issue. There could be a crack in the physical SIM card, something like that, that's causing an issue with your phone connecting to your carrier. So just delete out the eSIM or the physical SIM card and then reissue it. Keep in mind the eSIM, you will need to go to your AT&T store, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, whatever you have, and then just ask them for a new physical SIM card or an eSIM QR code to just re-add it.